Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of data science, specifically focusing on how Databricks can simplify and enhance your data science workflow. So let's get started. Data scientists often find themselves dealing with a wide range of tasks, from cleaning and analyzing data to creating visualizations. It's no secret that this can be a time-consuming process, often involving multiple tools and a complex workflow. That's where Databricks comes in. This powerful tool provides a seamless experience for data scientists, simplifying life at every stage of the data science workflow. With Databricks, you can easily handle your data engineering tasks, such as building pipelines and ETL jobs on the cloud. But wait, there's more. Databricks also allows you to effortlessly switch between notebooks in SQL Server 2016 and Azure ML Studio. Plus, it provides a fully managed cloud environment for SQL Server and Azure ML. Talk about convenience. By streamlining your workflow with Databricks, you'll have more time to focus on creating valuable insights and delivering high-quality models. So why wait? Give Databricks a try today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy data science adventures!